In this video, we are going to be folding an origami pumpkin for Halloween. This is Leila Torres of origamispirit.com. To make this, we need a piece of paper 6 by 6 inches or 15 by 15 centimeters. We want it to be orange on one side and ideally black on the other side. I will be explaining with a larger piece of paper, orange on one side, and what is here black, on this one is going to be white. An alternative, once you have tried with a single piece of paper, is to get another piece of paper and place it back to back, black, orange, and fold them together as if it was one piece of paper, white side or black side facing up. We are going to be making a fish base, folding half, connecting one corner to the other. Unfold, rotate, and repeat. We have an X here. Now we are going to bring the lower slanted edge to the center crease and fold from the corner to the crease. We repeat on this side. We are going to press from underneath, bring the flap up, create this pointy flap, and bring it to the left side for the moment. Don't bring to the other side so that we don't create a marking here. We're going to rotate and repeat. And this time we bring the flap to match this one, so to the right. We have our fish base. Rotate so that it's positioned vertically. The flaps are on the upper side. We are going to make a fold about here by bringing the corner to these upper corners of these two flaps. Unfold. We are going to look here for the center, and that will be our landmark. Our next fold is going to be about here by bringing this corner to this point. Repeat on the left. Now we make a fold from this central point out to this folded edge. Align this edge with this. Now we're going to reverse fold to change color to create the area of the eyes. To do that, we unfold the flap, insert our finger and briefly open the layers to reveal the back side of the paper. We're going to fold along this crease, folding it out and then refolding. We repeat here, unfold, spread open, fold along this crease, mount and fold on the white side, refold. We are going to be working on the area of the stem with this flap. Turn it over, and we're going to create a fold across here by bringing the top corner to this intersection, the lower intersection. We make a fold along here by bringing the corner to the edge. Unfold. We make a fold along here by bringing the corner to this intersection that we have there. Unfold and use that fold as a guideline so that we bring that to align with the edge, and we make a fold about here. This fold on the side is mounted should align with the edge. We are going to be narrowing the stem. First, we are going to blunt this corner. Just fold a tiny bit. We are going to apply one fold that comes from this folded edge. If we look at the center of that edge, we can also look at 1/4 the distance and a little over to the left. That's the beginning of the next fold. And as we lift the paper, we can make sure that this edge is kind of parallel to this. Unfold. And now we are going to make a fold from this point where the crease ends up to about here. So to do that, we can lift, press this in along the fold that we have there. And we're going to be creating a valley fold from that point to here. And we're going to repeat here. Center, 1/4 of the distance, a little bit over, that's the point of beginning. This is parallel to this edge. Unfold, lift. We press that fold there and begin making our valley fold. We just direct it with our fingers so that it begins here and ends at the point where the corner is blunted. Our stem is finished. We are going to make a fold along here by bringing this mountain fold to align with the central crease. So we can gather the paper, pinch, and bring it up to that point. We are going to bring this flap up, and we're going to create 2 folds. One from this central point to where the crease ends. This is going to be a valley fold. And to do that, we are going to insert our finger and from the inside press. One hand helps from the outside to direct that fold, and the other hand from the inside presses, connecting the 2 points. And we have a valley fold. We repeat on the left side. Now we're going to spread open this flap and bring it down as shown here. And we are going to be applying new folds from this point up to somewhere in here, and from this point up. They are mountain folds on the color side. And to do that, we're going to make sure that we open this. When we press, it opens. We press and keep going, place it against the surface and flatten. And we have our new folds, mountain folds, that become the edge. Turn it over. Now we are going to be folding this flap up and making a fold about here. And for that, I have a couple of guidelines. We have a crease ending here and a crease ending here. That could be one of the guidelines. And the other is that this corner should come beyond this edge. About there. We are going to bring the flap down again, make a fold connecting this corner to this corner. We make a fold along here by bringing the lower corner to the folded edge. Unfold this. We will make a fold along here by bringing this crease to the folded edge. We have a fold here already in place. we need to bring the paper down or the flap down along that edge. It aligns with the folded edge behind. And we bring the point right back up so that we make the teeth. We are going to be rounding the lower area by making a fold from this corner down to this edge. And this is going to be done in 2 stages because we have 2 flaps there. This is going to be a mountain fold, so pick up your paper. And first, we focus from making the fold from the corner to about here. And with this flap, we continue the line. We extend this all the way to the folded edge. We rotate and repeat on this side. Now we blunt these corners. We just apply a short mountain fold. We are going to round the upper section by making mountain folds to taste around there. Now we are going to position the eyes in a more central place. In order to do that, we are going to create a fold from the center out to this corner and down from this point a little bit. The landmark is that when we fold it down, this edge is parallel to this, just by eye. We can create a garland by attaching some string to a wall and using this flap to hook the pumpkin to that string.